Hi there, students. On the hoof. Okay, if you do something on the hoof, either you're really busy doing other things and you do something else quickly, without preparation, without forethought, fairly impromptu. So I was rushing around making deliveries, and I had some lunch while I was on the hoof, while I was running around here and there. You can also use on the hoof to mean without preparation, impromptu, yeah? To give a quick reaction to something that happened without planning it. So the Prime Minister is making policy on the hoof. He's reacting to the situation and making a new policy, but without preparation, without thinking about the consequences of it. So notice a hoof is the foot of a cow, a sheep, of livestock. And on the hoof can mean livestock, animals that have not been slaughtered yet. Notice we use the word slaughter instead of kill. You take animals to a slaughterhouse where they are slaughtered for meat. Kill is a perfectly valid word, but we tend to use the word slaughter. So if you are on the hoof, it's got the idea of you're riding your horse, you're running around, yeah? Okay, but livestock on the hoof, I think sometimes they give livestock prices on the hoof or for carcasses. Anyway, going back, to do something on the hoof is to do something quickly while occupied with something else, and often not giving the subject the proper care and attention it deserves. In class, maybe I have a lesson plan, and then I answer students' questions on the hoof while I'm giving the class without preparing an answer, because I don't know what students are going to ask. So it's a quick reaction, yeah? It's an impromptu answer without preparation. Mind you, if you answer enough questions, you start to repeat the questions, and it's no longer impromptu because you've done it before. Okay, so a hoof, the foot of an animal, or of a cow or a horse or a sheep, yeah? On the hoof, not slaughtered yet. But most commonly, to do something on the hoof, to do it quickly, to react quickly while you're moving about, while you're going here and there, doing something else, while you're occupied with another matter. Sometimes if you do things on the hoof, you can have lots of problems because you haven't thought the thing through. You haven't got thought about all the possibilities that could be associated with it. So what about formality? I think this phrase on the hoof is informal. It's great for an informal conversation or an informal document, but I really wouldn't recommend it for a formal document, for some sort of formal writing. Yeah, I think on the hoof, without preparation, while occupied with something else, yeah, at the same time as something else. Okay, so on the hoof, informal phrase. To do something on the hoof, to do it while you're occupied with other things and not being prepared for it. To react quickly to something that happened without thinking it through. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the Hoof.